Put that in. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, market makers with the Legacy Wealth Society. We're back. Tuesday, March 10th. We're going to try making some smoney today. And I'm excited because we have another opportunity to earn some money. Smooth, you got this, bro. You got this. You can definitely keep yourself in check. I believe in you, sir. Alrighty, let's wait for some of these market makers to jump in this stream, and then I'll go over everything. Did everyone have a good night last night? I'm gonna need to get like a new blind because on my current blind that you guys can't see, like the light's trying to come through like a couple of cracks right in my eyeball. So I gotta like move to the side so I can see the screens a little bit cleaner. Good morning, Carmona.
Good morning. They got me out here running around.
Okay. Well, leave some money for me today, okay? Leave some money in the markets for me today. Mr. Carmona had a 5K day yesterday, so straight crushing it.
We getting to the money together.
Yeah, that we are. Let me double check my audio on the YouTube streams real quick just to make sure we're dialed. Let's see how we sounded. Oh yeah, we sounding pretty decent. Good morning, BP. Wow, this is a first, bro. You're in here early. Not used to having you in the chat so early, bro. Let's make some money today. Some smoney. I'm getting ready to go over everything. I was waiting for some more market makers to jump in the stream before I went over where we're currently sitting at in the markets this morning. Let's open this journal. I need to make in one of my accounts less than $700 to get it funded again. All right, we got 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news today. Existing home sales at 10. Yeah, I'm just gonna start diving in. We're currently, the VWAP currently sitting here at 986 level for the VWAP. 21 EMA sitting right around 97275. The close from yesterday right below is 958. Let's see, where's a pivot?
The pivot.
Good morning, Steve. We got a pivot at 343.75. Let's go check the pivot below us. Uh, 672. So we got some areas that we could potentially get to today. And
hey, not to be late to the party, but you give me the
the 21 and then the VWAP, the V slot.
Oh, if you're here on time. Oh, no, I'm just
He
playing.
was waiting on you, Steve.
I was. I'm gonna let me wait. VWAP's right around 986.
Thank you.
21. 975.25. I know, Scott. We're on both. Good morning, Rob. Let me get some lines on my charts so that way they're there and ready for us. After today's stream, I'm actually going to be editing the video, one of the videos I shot in San Antonio. I was going to give it to the editor, but I'm like, you know what? Let me get it pushed out quick because it's dealing with psychology. I want to help you guys. So I'm like, I'll push it out. If I feel like the editor could do more with it, I'll have him do a re-edit.
Well, you are like, you got to give yourself some credit, man. You really got it. You can get to the root of it.
No, I know.
Oh, listen, you jive turkey. You don't cut me off when I'm speaking about such things.
Scuggs, it should be on the channel because both are going. We have the horizontal and vertical.
I want to get a parallelogram stream just to make everything happen.
All right, we got 3 minutes for market open. 3 minutes here. Who knows what's going to happen? But I'm here for it. Yeah, I'm excited. Have you ever just woken up like crazy thirsty? That's how I've been today. I woke up like extremely thirsty.
Yeah,
I'm like, give me more water.
Water.
Good morning, G. You slipped on in here.
I've been in here.
Oh. Well, not when it was originally just Carmona. And I was waiting for you boys.
Well, Rhea, who's here now, man? Tell us who's all in.
The Three Musketeers, Draco, Carmona, and G.
Sweet.
I was working here and I came in like this.
Hey, Carmona, you're breaking up a little bit.
So for today, my recommendation, do not be in a trade at 10 o'clock. We got 10 o'clock news coming out today, and it's not worth being in a trade at that time. Just saying. Y'all grown men and women in here, so you do what you want, but just know the market may do something crazy at 10.
That's Duane's parenting voice, man. It's like, listen, you're getting older now, and you know better. It's like that kind of like, don't be dumb.
Yeah, please don't.
Not to stop you from touching the stove the second time, but you remember how it hurt the first time.
Good morning, folks. We're getting ready to have market open here in less than a minute. I'm waiting the first 15 minutes like usual. Because I'm trying to stay a little bit as safe as possible in these markets. BP, I don't know what color the news was on Forex Factory, but I know we got 10 o'clock news from my trading
Right
journal.
about now we're going to bust the groove.
Oh, I'm glad you rock with the vibe, bro. Appreciate you. There's market open. Right off that bull flag, too. That's the craziest part.
And there's a micro retracement. Where is that moose? Did he go out of town?
He may just be working, to be honest. So we had a flag right at market open there. That bull flag. I put it on my trading view screen, the line. Wow. I couldn't take it. But if I did, boy, the stream may be over right now.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll try again tomorrow, boys.
Don't forget to tip your waitresses and have a good evening. Goodbye.
No, that was a textbook bull flag on the 2 minute, the 5 minute. Go ahead, time. Go ahead, boy. Time took it.
You know why you're thirsty? It's because you haven't come back to the Orlando Eye restaurant in too long, and it's starting to catch up with you. You need the tomahawk.
I think we're going next week, actually. We have a big date next week. We're going to the John Legend concert.
Okay. What songs does he sing?
I don't know all of the songs that he will be singing, but all those.
No, I'm just kidding.
Made like 700. Rotate to the next account. Go ahead, man. Killing it, bro. Killing it.
Killing it, swilling it, motherfucking filling it.
Man, if I would have taken that flag right there in my select funded account,
then you would have broken your rules. You know that, right?
I know I would have. I know.
And how would you feel? Then you'd be telling us for the end of time, well, I bought another Ferrari, but I broke my rules. And therefore, I should give the Ferrari to Moose, but he's not here, so I'm going to keep it.
I hear that.
As a lesson.
Oh, Mooser.
I heard that. Give me
Good morning, sir.
I'll take the Ferrari.
I'll take the Ferrari.
There he is. I was just asking about you.
You're trying to keep my Ferrari.
No, I just think Duane would keep it safe for you.
How are you? What's up, guys?
Hey.
Good morning,
I'm just
sir.
waiting for you to call the retracement, baby.
No, not yet. There's no retracement yet. Not yet.
Well, you sound like you just rolled out of bed. We'll give you a minute to wake up first.
This hour change is crazy. I'm over it already.
I'm over it already. You just got on the market. I'm over it already. That's not good.
He's talking about the hour change because he's doing it.
Oh, that.
I'm over everything already.
Yeah, like I literally lost 2 hours with the hour change. So.
How does that happen? Because you're more heavily invested, you had an extra contract more than the rest of us?
No, because I already lost the hour going to San Antonio. So I lost the hour going over there. And then coming home, I lost another hour.
Yeah, you're right.
Good morning, Iz.
I'm glad you didn't fly to Hawaii. You'd be upside down right now.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't be streaming right now.
Well, you'd just be a live streaming you snoring.
Pretty much. So we did a nice little retracement right there, as Moose would say.
Yeah.
Let's see if we're going to build a flag or something. I still have 11 minutes till I can officially trade, so.
I don't know, this past one No, now we're gonna subir. Doji. What am I doing? What am I doing? Base hits. Come on. Okay.
Yes, sir. You're talking dirty today, Moose.
Alexa, wake up, Moose.
Moose is talking dirty. He said base hit.
No.
BP, it wasn't fun, bro. It wasn't fun. Losing the 2 hours was not enjoyable.
Oh, you got to hang out with the captain. His bad self blanked you on a stream. You should feel so honored.
No, I am honored that I was able to hang out with him. I'm just talking about losing the 2 hours. No bueno. $500. Good job, Rob. Rotate to the next account. Don't trade that account again. Lock in that $500. Do another account. That's it. Lucas, comment day. No tilt, bro. The market's only been open for 5 minutes. How we tilting, bro? It's only been 5 minutes. I'm definitely editing that video today, get pushed out to y'all. Hopefully it helps you guys, for real. And I'm sure you guys will think like the way I did it. Let me tell you this is the first time I recorded a video in this manner, like how I structured it. So with that being said, I hope you like the vibe and everything on it.
Give me the vibe. Let's roll.
Because I know you guys are used to me just being direct on the camera like this, where this time I actually planned it a little bit, believe it or not.
Hey, as long as you're very, you're very smart at kind of how you put things together. I've seen it in your past things. So I mean, you're a good communicator. Just roll with it.
Yeah, well, I actually did each thing in like segments, how I shot it. So that way mentally I could only think about that one topic.
So you had a roadmap.
Exactly. I probably went off into some corners a couple times on the roadmap, but
if you didn't, I would question if it was real or AI. AI, Duane, I banish you to hell. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Smooth, that's awesome, bro. Listen, there's no rush to trading. We rush it, right? We rush the process, but there's no rush to this. Sun FX, appreciate you, bro. Yeah, it's never fun waking up on the wrong side of the bed. But when we wake up on the wrong side of the bed, it's better that we don't trade. Like if I'm like sick or have an intense fellowship with my girl, you know what I'm saying? Like I may not want to trade because intense mentally I'm not there.
Intense fellowship means like a sexy date, but without the date.
No, it's more like an argument. Luckily, we don't have many of those, so those are rare. But when it happens, it's like your boy don't know how to trade. I just zero patience. So we have some selling pressure.
I'm looking at those wicks as you speak. It's interesting because the 2 minutes are looking like a bear flag, but then it's like on the 5 minute, except as that really long wick is showing different.
Yeah, but my issue is that previous candle wick.
Oh yeah. No, I got you. That's why I mentioned it, my brother.
Brett likes intense fellowship. That's hilarious. I don't. It just makes me annoyed.
Get ready for that strawberry.
We're going to see. I'm not sure. We got the buying wick on the 5 minute, the selling wick on the 5 minute previous candle.
Yeah,
I feel like we're in like no man's land right now.
Yeah, those 2 wicks on the 5 minute. That's pretty interesting. How it.
In the 1 minute, there's nothing but selling wicks.
Yeah. By the way, your audio is coming up perfect now. Last time was chopping a little bit.
Yesterday?
No, I'm talking to.
No, yeah, I had to change it back to my cell phone rather than my Bluetooth.
Yeah, because it started to warble, so I couldn't. But now you're like in the room with us.
Yeah, we got the $5,000 man in the chat today.
Yes.
Oh no.
Awesome.
That it is. Looks like we may be building this bear flag. I still got 5 more minutes though to be able to actually execute a trade. So
It's looking a little crazy right now.
come on, Betsy. I want something clean. Today. We have that news at 10, so I'm not sure if we're going to just chop around until 10.
So you want an A++ setup, is that right?
Maybe like a B+ at the low end, but yeah, I want something clean. Yeah, we don't argue or fight. We have intense fellowship. Me and the enforcer, you know what I'm saying?
Oh boy. Come on, man.
Looking like a bull flag on the 5. So that's why you gotta be careful when you're starting to see different flags.
Well, look
Like
what
because
it
we had
did.
the bear flag on the 2 minute, a bull flag was trying to print on the 5. This is
Mine
where
just negated it because it just striped down, but now it popped back. It doesn't know what it wants to do right now.
so this is where you gotta be extremely careful. We got that VWAP and pivot, not pivot, 21 EMA right below us. Tapping both of those back above them. All right, we just came below the pivot. I keep saying pivot. The VWAP and the 21 EMA. Jesus.
And we're at the close from yesterday, right?
That's 958. 958 for the close for yesterday.
The mine is screwing up. That's interesting.
Yeah, man, go down.
Oh, that's a good question. No clue. I only use my trading journals news stuff, so that's why I look to see what news we got. I don't use Forex Factory. So we have bull flag at market open. We just printed a little bear flag and we're coming on down.
Come on down.
Who knows? Who knows what we're going to get today? What's up, Yaz? It's going good. We're here ready to execute some trades. I got less than 2 minutes to be officially cleared to trade for the day. My rules, not anybody else's. I wait the first 15 minutes so that way I can see what the market's truly trying to do. If I wasn't streaming, I probably would have already been done for the day. I would have taken that bull flag at market open and probably that bear flag right there.
Hypotheticals don't pay the bills, baby. Let's roll.
That is true. Look at that buying wick on that 5 minute. Yeah, right now we're in no man's land.
Yeah, that just hurt a lot of people right there.
We're in no man's land, so don't get chopped today.
I believe it's, no, never mind. I don't want to say it because people get into their feelings about politics and, but I don't care. I think it's because of the war. The market's unsteady right now.
No, 100%.
Yeah,
Well, that's good for us because if we know the markets are going to be unsteady because of the global news stuff, then we
That's crazy.
have to be prepared to execute trades skillfully.
Yeah. No, absolutely.
But I like volatility personally. I make more money when it's volatile than when it's slow and steady.
Yeah, I hate. You know what I hate? The Asian session when it's so slow. I get more nervous
Okay.
because it's so slow to me that I don't know where it's going.
Yeah, but you were sweating on here more than your share of times too, though.
Of course, but if it's too slow, at least I can tell where it's going. If it's a little faster.
Yeah, like Moose, the bottom of my feet are sweating.
Oh yeah, good. No, the entire foot, top, side, toe, in between, everything.
Ew.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, Brad. I'm waiting until 9. Oh, now it's happy hunting. The 15-minute range is fully completed. The high of that range, 8150. 8150 for the high. The low of the range, 95950. 95950 for the low. So we're pretty close to the middle of this 15-minute range for the most part.
There's something that I'm supposed to remember in the middle of the range.
Yeah, we don't diddle in the middle.
Diddling in the middle.
All right, we just cleared some selling wicks right there. Let's see if we get us a flag. Come on, Betsy. Give us a flag. Give us a flag. I want to take a trade. We're coming real close to the middle of this 15-minute range, so I need to get something here. Hopefully, we're not just going to chop around till 10.
Yeah, that would be my hope as well.
Bear stepping in right there pretty aggressively as well. All right, so we just popped that green candle, but I'm not liking that previous candle wick. Which confluences, if any, do you use for your flag strategy? I just honestly, I'm just doing bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That's it. Gotta have the momentum. No momentum, no play. We're currently sitting right above the middle of the 15-minute range, but I don't like it. I don't like where we're currently sitting at.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, Mitch.
How's it going?
Another day in paradise, bro.
Yeah, good to hear. I literally just woke up.
It sounds like it.
Yeah. I was like, what time is it? I was like, 9:46. I was like, what the heck?
So we do have some buying pressure on that 5-minute candle, but I don't know, boys. Not liking it. These selling wicks are pretty aggressive, all in the same area. They're all in the same area, so I'm like, I'm not trying to short or buy in this area right now. We need to clear this area out. We got 10 minutes, 10 more minutes for the news. Let's see if we get this flag. But I don't want to drop in too low.
Patiently waiting.
Yep. Yeah, it was pretty choppy throughout the night session, but hopefully this session we get some good movement. If we pop through this yellow line with momentum, I'm taking a trade. But we have to have the momentum. No momentum, no trade. We got a minute left on this candle, so I want this candle to stay red, personally. I would like it to stay red, then the next candle green. So the bears just need to hold it red for the next 50 seconds. I wait for the candle to close. And honestly, I'm just waiting for the momentum. That's the biggest thing. I'm waiting for momentum. We got 10 seconds left on this candle. 10 seconds left.
I'm literally falling asleep here.
That's not good.
Literally. Like, oh man, I have to like shake my head.
Do some jumping jacks.
I gotta stand up. Adios, real. Man, I'm not. Listen. So, long story short, I went out for 2 days straight, right, to a friend's house, and then for a drink with one of my other friends, right. Both times, I didn't realize what time it was because, you know, it felt early.
Yeah.
The clock, I'm like, it's 4:30 in the morning and I'm still out. I'm going home.
Like, who am I turning into?
Yo, I don't even know what the hell I was doing out at 4:30 in the morning. It's like, what's wrong with me? I'm leaving. now I can't even catch up to my sleep.
Oh, man. I feel that one. I feel that one slightly. Because I was out, not last night, the night before. I was in a drive-through for like an hour waiting on some food. I was stuck in the line. I couldn't leave. Cars were behind me, so I couldn't like back out.
Oh my God.
And ever since, I didn't go to bed that night till like after 3. I'm like, what is this? Granted, it would have been only like 2 o'clock without the time change. But I'm like, never again. Never again.
Why was it an hour for the food?
Something happened with an employee.
Oh shit.
So it was like 2 people running the whole restaurant.
Oh, okay. They were delayed. I thought something medical.
No.
That's crazy. No, I know somebody that here in Orlando. I know somebody that when White Castle first opened, I don't know, like a dummy. He went over and he waited online for 6.5 hours.
Yeah, absolutely not.
Why would you do that? There's no way.
By the time I got the food in from the drive-thru, I was like, I'm not even hungry anymore.
Yeah.
All right, at this point, I'm probably waiting until the 10 o'clock news because looks like the market's just going to chop here until that news comes out. Unless we get some really good move. I feel like we're going to be chopping until the news. Coming down to that 21 EMA. That the 25,004 level. VWAP sitting at 99475. There's that tap. I'm not trusting it. I'm honestly gonna wait the next 5 minutes unless this thing just waterfalls magically. But
Waterfall.
we get some more lines.
Feeling at the VWAP.
Oh man, this is very painful today. I'm not gonna lie. Slightly painful. Four more minutes, well, less than 4 minutes actually. For the 10 o'clock news, existing home sales. We are creeping down to the low of this 15-minute range and that close from yesterday at 958. But I need to see some flags. All right, break out of the 15-minute range right there. There we go. I was getting ready to say, I'll assume that we're going to come back into the 15 before we actually drop, if we're going to keep going down. Let me see where my first target would be. 89850 would be my first target to the low side. But we have to get out the 15-minute range below the close from yesterday to get down there. 89825, 89825 will be my first target to the low side. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. Don't just click the button and click the button, boys. It's not worth it. We're just patiently waiting. We got news in less than 2 minutes.
Well, hopefully the news will like move us out of the zone and kind of put us in fresh pasture.
Oh, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. I'll take anything right now. I want some clean movement. All right, breaking out of that 15-minute range once again.
Once again.
We're below the close. Well, now we're at the close from yesterday, 958.
Hey, Duane, do you know what 981.50 is? Is there anything on your chart for that?
981?
Yeah, I was just curious.
No.
Okay, it must be a ninja thing. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
It's not any of my things that I put on there, so just curious.
89850 would be my target if we lose this 15-minute range to the low side. All right, 20 seconds for the news. I'm not going to be in trade when the news comes out. That's called bad for business. And AKA, that's gambling. If you're just clicking right before news, you're gambling at that point.
Absolutely.
If you try to get an early drink with Moose, you're gambling at this point.
Sure. That's not good.
I'm debating, Smooth. I'm debating, bro. I kind of want to, but I also don't at the same time because it's pre-market. All right, so news didn't do much. News did not do much there.
I think I blinked and missed it.
Alrighty, well. The anticipation was bigger than the actual news, so.
Was it 10 o'clock our time? Oh, that was mountain time.
All right, first trade of the day, 230. It popped it back up slightly. I'm just rotating. So first trade for the day, 230. Let's go to the next account. I really would like to see a flag. I would like to see a flag.
I laugh because
Yeah, you laugh at me, bro. Why are you laughing at me?
Not at you. It's actually at Steve in a good way. Because Steve is always like, Duane wants to see a flag.
Well, the
Steve,
flags, they
Duane
just
would love
help,
to see a
right?
flag. Hey, no. But the way he says it, it's like, Duane would love to see a flag.
He ain't lying.
Right here.
We're back into the low of this 15-minute range right now.
Yeah, look at that wick on the 5-minute candle or any candle. It's like,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's why I closed out my first trade, because I did not like seeing that buying pressure while in a short.
Yeah.
Hey, let me hold short in buying pressure. No, just take your profits and get out.
Now the wick is inverse. It's weird.
Let's see what we get here. We got 25 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. 25 seconds left. I want us to clear out this buying pressure so I could take a short down to that 898 level that I was targeting. Let's see if we build a flag right here. That'd be amazing. We got 2 minutes to see if it's going to build us this flag. And I'm all for it building us a flag.
Let's build a flag.
I'm getting ready to start doing some jumping jacks or something.
Dwayne's gonna bust it into cardio. This is gonna be an epic moment.
No, folks, it's not going to be that epic. Sorry to disappoint. Yeah, we got tons of buying pressure. Ugh. And we went more than 50% of this previous candle.
It just looks like chop build to me. I mean, it could break and stuff, but man.
All right. With us going more than 50% of that previous candle, on the next one, I want to see it as a red candle to build us a potential bull flag. We're up here at the VWAP, 21 EMA, tapping all that good stuff. Let's see how we react from tapping that VWAP 21. The whole gang. All right, we're above the VWAP now. Let's see if we build this flag. At least I'm up 230 for the day. That's positive. Even though I want way more, but with how the market's currently moving, you gotta take what you can get. Let me put my hands away from my mouse because I'm waiting, anticipating to see if this is going to be a little bull flag for us. Because we broke out of this 15-minute range to the low side, but it wasn't anything like with you know what I'm saying? Like, now here come the bears. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Not sure. This is awkward. Oh, the bears didn't break out the 15-minute range with as a going more than 50% of that previous candle.
This is it. I mean, we should just all get some onions because we're chopping so much we could be done with dinner.
I like that. Go get your onions. We're chopping, boys. Chopping so you may cry. Alrighty. I did not get filled where I wanted to there. Let's go, market. I did not get put in where I wanted to, but we're going to see if this will still pay us. We do have some buying pressure down here, so not going to let it pull back on me too much. Close on that one. 440 on that trade. Not bad. it may keep going lower, but I'm just locking it in. You know what I'm saying? Like, not liking the little wiggle that it did. So I might as well close it in profit. Even if it keeps going, at least I secured a base hit. And we rotate to the next one. Can't be greedy when trading. Can't be greedy when trading.
Say that 3 times fast, please.
We did hit my target, by the way, as well. We did hit my original target, 89825. We did hit it.
Are we gonna just build a flag and keep heading south?
Hey, from your lips to God's ears. You need to see what your fees are, everything like that. That may be why it's not being counted. Good job, Rob. Have a good day, bro. Let's see. We build another flaggy flag. I will gladly take another flag. I just marked my other chart. I just marked my trading view chart, the one you guys can't see right now. I'm putting lines everywhere, boys. That's when you know it's getting serious.
Drawing pictures off the screen too.
I got a doodle over here with my right hand that you can't see. I would want to get below this 900 level at this point. That's just me. Get below that whole number, down to my yellow line, and then take a little short. Oh, were you trading on trade 2? Wait, is that Brett? Brett, is that you? Oh, okay. We have the selling pressure. But honestly, I'm waiting until we get to my yellow line on the bottom if I'm taking it short. My line's in the sand. I'm not doing anything till we get there.
Yeah, because this is jumping around way too much.
And if we don't get there, guess what? Then I don't take that trade. It's that simple. But let's see here. I've been trading for less than an hour, right? Less than an hour now. Well, actually, probably like 30 minutes, technically. Yeah, 30 minutes I've been trading. Already up over 700 bucks. What else can we do to make 700 bucks in less than 30 minutes? With no product, no customer, and no employees. There's nothing, boys. That's why I love trading. Like, for real. Are we getting ready to build maybe? Let me get another line. Well, I'm going to change this color for this line. Right now, consolidating a little bit on the Renko bars. Price action's real tight right now, real tight.
I heard something about a retrace.
I don't know if this is a 5-minute retrace or not. I know that's a 2-minute where you touch the EMA. One of my EMAs, but
Come on down to my yellow line. Come on, Betsy. Give me another short opportunity here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's break through that 900 level. And honestly, my target is 989, right? So I want that target to get hit again. And we gotta flush through it. I want follow through. I'm not just jumping just because we break 900. I want to flush through that 898 level, just so that way there will be some continuation. Coming down to my yellow line. Let's see. So we tapped everything, but we did not have continuation. That's why I did not take it.
Yeah, if you did, you'd be like fighting against the swimming against the current on that one.
Yep. I only want continuation. Like technically, I could have taken a trade if I had an ATM strategy set up right there to give me a certain amount of points and hit the take profit real quick, but I don't use ATMs like that. All right, let me pull my hand away from the mouse. No reason to have it close right now. If I could teach you guys one thing, is it's okay not taking every move. I feel like as traders, we want to click the button every single time the market goes up or down. When you gotta remember, not every move's a good move. Just like not all money's good money, not every move's a good move. Keep that in mind. Coming back down here. Look at this 2-minute. Look at the buying pressure on that 5-minute candle. Right now, I feel like we're just building structure for a big bear flag, but I don't like the structure right now. Bulls keep catching it right now. Bulls keep catching it. They have not given up yet. Come on, Betsy. Jesus. Give me something,
on,
please, Betsy. I'm trying to make some more money. And then I need to trade some evals. I have a Lucid account that passed the profit target, but my consistency, I gotta make another $400.
Hey, does Lucid have a micro scalp policy?
Yes, it's 5 seconds instead of 10 seconds like with Tradeify.
Okay, that's right. Thank you.
So it's a little bit better than Tradeify because it's 5 second micro scalp instead of the 10 seconds. There's a 21 EMA tab. There's a bottom of the 15-minute range tab as well. Waiting to see how we react here. All right, let me pull this line up right there. Let's see if we could build structure right here, possibly for a bull flag. All right, back in the 15. We got that VWAP up there. $380 trade right there. So officially just hit the 1K mark on my funded accounts today. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We'll take that. We tapped that VWAP. That's why it took that long. I was targeting that VWAP, just watching the momentum build. So that's why I took it, just so you know. But not too shabby. We're going to now, let me see what account number was my Lucid that I needed to make that extra. What was it? $400? Yeah, 441. Let's rotate to this one. Get this one done real quick. What's up, David? The strategy is simple. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. No momentum, no trade. The flags pay the bills at the end of the day. Yes, you could do some momentum plays as well, but they're a little bit more risque. Yes, risque than just the flag plays. So I will take some momentum plays if I see something in the area that I could target. If there's nothing in the area that I can target, I'm not doing a momentum play just by itself. I saw that VWAP. I saw the buying pressure as well. So I'm okay, let me target that VWAP, but I was going to have a tight stop loss. I told myself mentally, I'm not going to go below $600 in drawdown to make the money. You know what I'm saying? So if we hit 600, I would have closed out. But thankfully, it was only like 540, so I was able to stay in. You gotta put the line in the sand in your mind. If it hits, you gotta close. That's it. If you're not using stop losses like myself. All right, we're above this VWAP now. We're above the VWAP. I don't know, right? Like, either we're going to build a flag right here, a bull flag to take us higher, or it's going to be one of those things where we may start to like roll over here because the market moves in waves. You know what I'm saying? So you got to go with the wave. So it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. And you just got to catch the wave and just ride it. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm doing. Just trying to ride the wave. No A plus setups. The only A plus setup. Well, there's been two. There's been two A plus setups today. Let me actually get a different line for the A plus setups, and I'm going to show you what they were. Let's do red. All right, so this morning we had, where's it at? Right there. Right here. So we had that bull flag right at market open. The flag built, yeah, market open, it popped. So that was A plus 7, number one. Then we had bear flag play all before 9:45, so I could not take any of these.
1150 on that trade.
Go ahead, boy.
Sweet.
Right there. So we had a bull and bear flag. Those were the only two A plus setups for today, and they all happened before 9:45. So I couldn't take them myself. So don't feel bad you missed it, because I missed it too. Man, only if I held that trade. How many times have you said that as a trader, right? Listen, I honestly don't care. As long as I'm green, I'm happy. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range now. We're in the middle of that 15-minute range. Trades like, oh, for no, I can't. If I trade before 9:45, bro, like, I'm not a good trader. Just being real, because I'll take some more risk because I'm trading evals, and you never want to start your day knowingly you're taking extra risk. That's why I trade my fundeds first, then rotate to evals, not the other way around. Because once you're already mentally willing to risk more, when you switch over to your fundeds, if you're trading evals first, you'll risk more. Just saying, been around the block a couple times of this trading journey. Make sure you guys are liking and subbing on these streams, please. It helps the algorithm know that these streams are adding value. Hopefully it is adding value. If not, I'm sure someone else may have a stream that can help you out a little bit more. Who knows? Nice, Michael. It's the smartest thing to do. Just honestly waiting for the volatility to die down just slightly so we can get a game plan for the day. Because that first 15 minutes, it's up, down, all around, and you don't want to get caught up in it, to be real. I feel like we're going to probably test the high. We may test the high of this range once we get through this middle of this 15-minute range. But if we don't get through the middle of this 15-minute range, we may start to come back down.
We have like a really nice micro bull flag that just printed, but now it's kind of hitting resistance.
Yeah. Well, we're not even through the middle of the range either, so that's why I'm like.
I just think it was gonna have a taste for a direction is all. Not on the mount, you drive turkey.
With the selling pressure we have, I want VWAP to hold us. If VWAP could hold us up, that'd be a good sign that we may try continuing up here. VWAP's at 98550. 98550. 50, not 50. 50. That wick Just that candle in general, I'm not a big fan of. All right, we just cleared the previous candle's wick right there. So that's positive, but we're still below the middle of the 15-minute range, so. Come on, Betsy.
Do it to it.
Do it to it.
Trade?
I am in a trade. Currently. I'm keeping this one tight though. This is on a Lucid eval. I'm expecting us to pop up and clear out these previous wicks. But if we don't, I'll just close.
It's got that element of chop in it. I just don't like it.
No, I feel you on that.
I jumped in and got some things, but it's just like, I don't feel like this is the time we're gonna hold, you know? It's like,
We're like right there too where it wants to pop. Let's see if it does it. Getting hung up there, but it wants to go. Well, there we go. So that account just became funded with Lucid. We'll take that. We'll take that. Let me rotate to my other Lucid account. Where's my... Oh, there. It's getting kind of toasty up here. Let me turn my fan on back there. What's up, Travis? Hold on. Let me check something. Let me check. I don't think it was on, but if it was, Okay, no, it wasn't. No, I wasn't sure if I had my copy trader on. So I'm like, did I just accidentally make 690 across 2 accounts?
That'd be a good accident, I guess.
Oh, that would be a great accident, right? Now let's look for another bull flag. Feel like we're going to test the high of this 15-minute range. I'm slightly tempted because Lucid, their activation is really fast. I'm slightly tempted to no. I'm not even gonna do it. I will continue doing what I'm doing.
Wait, I was just saying, if you did it, it'd be like a real-time proof. Okay, I'm doing it now, and then you can just say, hey, in 10 minutes or whatever, blink. But you do, yeah. I mean, I understand you have a thing, but it'd be cool to see.
I need $700 on one of my Tradify accounts.
I like how you changed that subject. Yeah, like just ignore what he said.
No, I'm not ignoring what you said.
Well, kind of like when I type that shit in the thread. I'm like typing, and you're just like, get you.
All right, we're gonna try getting $700 in this Tradify account to get this account funded as well. If not, I'll simply base hit it. Looks like we're going to try possibly building a bull flag. I would like to see a flag.
Wade would like to
What
see a
candles were those, or what candles are they? Those are Renko bars. They're not even candles. These are the top charts Renko bars. I want to take another long, targeting the high of this 15-minute range here.
Duane wants to take another long.
Wade would like to take another long.
But I gotta see some good momentum. I gotta see some momentum here.
Well, looking at the wick on that 2 minutes, like it's kind of stepping up, and it's saying, so.
Exactly.
This is where I get into trouble, is I start seeing the play, but then I don't look at the game.
Yeah.
As a whole, you know what I mean? So I'm seeing my play, I'm gonna do it, but it just like, and then you're in, and you're like, oh, well, I didn't look at the 5-minute candle. You know,
I hate that. Yep.
or it's
Listen,
like,
it happens to all of
number,
us.
How nice.
Lucas, no clue on that one, bro. Their system may be having a little error. Or did you blow your account? Smooth. We all say that, bro. Well, listen, if you end up green, that's all that matters, bro. Come on. A little bit more.
Two contracts or one?
Oh, this is 2 contracts.
Nice.
There we go. So just got that account funded as well. So just base hitting, boys. That's all we're doing. Just base hitting. Like, we popped out of the 15-minute range as well. Let's see if we build out a bull flag up here. I will now rotate back to one of my Lucid accounts that I need. I think like $1,200 on this one. We'll try adding that as well. And let me see if I can now activate, which I can on my Lucid account. Let me upgrade this to funded. Actually, let me take a screenshot first.
Yo,
If you don't have proof of it.
The affiliate code for Lucid, I cannot wait.
Oh, I shot them, what's it called, yesterday. So waiting for them to get back to me again.
And then
Because I was actually able to sign the documents. So the fact that I was able to is better than what it was, because before I wasn't even allowed to sign.
And there, like I did put, just an FYI, in the group, I did put the 50% off code that was in the community chat. It's not ours, but it works.
Okay. Yeah, if it's helping, and once we get it, and for everyone that's been using the Tradeify LWS code, appreciate you. They finally got it synced, and boy, they made money off me last year, because I already know I would have made some commissions last year. If you broke their rules like drawdown or hedging, all that type of stuff. Those are no-nos. Can't hedge, can't go below your minimum drawdown. You know what I'm saying? So feel like we're going to push. I do feel like we're going to push here. Just looking at how everything's looking. Let's see if we build us a flaggy flag. I only have code for Tradeify currently. I'm working on getting a Lucid code. And once Apex finishes all the onboarding stuff for all their stuff, I should be getting a code with them as well. Oh, thank you. Sorry about that, Weekend. Appreciate you. If the screen's ever black longer than 30 seconds, tell me. I would have forgotten to click the button. Scuds, 2 contracts is not big size, bro.
Yeah, I remember back in the day, you'd be rocking the earth, man, with some of the stuff you do.
Rocking the earth. Yeah, I used to normally trade like 4 contracts at a time.
Oh yeah, well that's when we were first started trading together. That's what I assumed you'd trade forever, but you came up with a better system, something that's more limber.
Yep.
And
I'll take that 205 profit right there. And I'm just going to base hit this one. I'm going to base hit this one. Couple base hits on this one. This is another Lucid eval. I need to put in like $1,200 to get this one funded as well. So right now I got 4 funded accounts with Tradeify, 1 current funded account now with Lucid. Get this one funded as well. That'll be 6 funded across the board. Tomorrow I'll work on another eval with Tradeify. I'm trying to get back to 5 funded accounts with Tradeify. I like being fully funded with firms. So if I'm like 4, I need 5. I gotta get the 5. I don't have OCD or whatever it's called, but it bothers me only having 4 and not having the full 5. But I will say I took a photo of something yesterday. I'll post it in the community because one of my evals, I traded it for 9 days to get it funded. So one thing I've been really harping on recently is stop worrying about the days. Because as traders, I feel like with prop firms, we get so focused on how many days we're trading when you get focused on that, you put more pressure on yourself. So for me, I don't care how long it takes. As long as I get it done within a month, so I'm not paying a subscription, I don't care. It could take me 10 days, 15 days. It could take me 20 days. Base hitting. That's all I do. I'm only base hitting these accounts. But that's how I'm able to take the pressure off and consistently get funded, because I'm no longer worried about 5 days or passing in 3 days. I don't care. The whole goal is just to pass it. It don't matter how many days it takes to pass. And that's real. So hopefully that helps one of y'all that's listening take some pressure off yourself. Let's see if we build us a flaggy flag. We do have some selling pressure up here. But my target is up there at 142.75. 142.75 is my target here. BP, that's one thing that I am not trying to lose at, bro. Like last night, I almost forgot a post in the community, and I remember, oh, I got a post, because I'm not trying to lose my streak. I think I'm like a 90-something day streak right now. Scucks, honestly, if you're trading 10 minis or micros, right? You're paying a lot of fees on that. But that's just me. I like trading the minis. The fees are a little bit better because, yeah, they're just a little bit better. Oh yeah, this may be an A++ setup right here, boys. This may be an A++ bull flag. Let's see what we get.
This might be the 5. It's the 2-minute retracement already happened right here. The last candle. See what happens now. What's going on?
Not trying to jump in it until we got that upward momentum on the Renko bars and we hit my yellow line with follow through. Well, I hit my yellow line with follow through, and I'll be jumping in, targeting that 142 level. But that's just me. That's just me. Let me take a quick second and look at this account over here. So I literally need like $1,000 for this account to be funded. I've already hit the consistency goal. Maybe we come down and we tap this 15-minute range high before we pop up. That may be something we do. Have a good one, Scucks. Go get some sleep, bro. I'm gonna pre-run this one. Let's see if it works. So we tap my yellow line and reject off my yellow line. That's annoying. But let's see if we still push here.
Are we gonna have a countdown?
No countdown, no countdown. I'm in already. I pre-ran this one. I want the 142 level. That's what I want to target here. I just locked in a little bit of profit there. We're building another flag, so that's why I just got out. Still made a couple $100 there, but I moved my yellow line up. Not going to front run this one. Nice time. Good job, bro. Are you using your strategy or my strategy? Just curious.
Base hitting, baby. That's the way you get a grand slam. That's
Yep.
what's up.
Yeah, and when you get that grand slam base hit and you get excited because it's not what you were planning for. At least I get excited.
Made a quick.
Oh,
made a
definitely.
quick
I'm excited.
365 on that.
Nice, bro. Good job. Take me to that 142. I want the 142. Come on, Betsy. Come on. Smonnies. Yeah, base hits, bro. Base hits pay, bro. That's why we preaching it. Witnessing greatness today. BP, you always get to witness greatness, bro. You wake up, you look at yourself in the mirror and be like, man, I'm great. You know what I'm saying? Like, you see greatness every day, fam. Let me move my lineup again. We're slowly going up to my 142. If I can't pass this account today, that's okay. I'll pass it tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But I'm already halfway there to get. I need another $600 and this will be funded. But we don't have. I wish we had a little bit more momentum, to be honest with you. Yeah, hit your smolder in the mirror. That's right, bro. $142, so close. Come on. Come on. Come on, Betsy. There's my 142 tap. Just close it right there. Close it at the 142 tap right there. So I think I need like a couple $100 more and this is funded.
Duane, following your little base hit thing just got me out of an $800 drawdown.
Listen, I can't. Base hits simply work. They simply work. I'd rather have small wins that add up big than have one big win and then make nothing after that.
100%. Grand slam.
Because I'm trying to do this for the rest of my life. So what's more doable, base hits or getting a home run every single trade? A base hit. I'll freaking bunt the ball just to get on base, okay? I don't even care. As long as I get on base, that's all that matters with what we're doing here. That's all that matters. All right, let's see if we build a flag above my first target to the high side here. 142.25 was my target. Let's see if we build a flag right here because my second target's all the way up there at 204, which is doable and achievable. Let's see if we get us a little flag. Oh, and you guys are seeing something in the flesh as well. I'm simply putting my line up to where the next flag would be, let it get built, and then taking it. It's magic. Believe it or not, this is magic. This is sorcery, okay? Like, we move a little line in the sand, and when we get there, we say we're going to execute. If we don't get there, that means we didn't lose money. It's that simple. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Actually, let me see how much we're up for the day. I'm going to have to get the handy dandy calculator out. I'll put that on the screen so I can still see everything while I'm adding all this up. Where's my handy dandy calculator? There we go. And I only add up the after the fees. I never add up the gross. I always want to add up what the net would be. So today, $3,400 so far. $3,400 bucks. Doing what? Base freaking hitting, people. Base freaking hitting. This is not rocket science, boys. We just made a new high as well. We went through the overnight high already. Well, that just cured that. There's another funded account with Lucid. Wind me up.
Let's go.
You would think I did it on purpose. You would think I based it on purpose.
It's more like you accidentally did it on purpose.
Oh, thank you. I accidentally did it on purpose. Okay, I accidentally did it on purpose, folks. And it's 11:01 as well. We'll take that. Solid freaking trading day, I gotta say. Solid trading day. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the show of me showing y'all how to simply base hit. You know what I'm saying? Is there a way to learn base hitting? No, it's not about learning how to base hit. Right? It's simple. I don't know. Like, Weekend, let me know in the chat here. What's your goal? What's like your goal, the number in your head that you want to make each and every day? That's realistic. If you're new, it may be a little bit lower. If you're a seasoned trader, maybe a little bit higher. But what's your number? Put it in the chat. Let me know. I'm going to help you learn how to base hit here. Brandon's 1K, 10%. Okay, so Weekend, you're trading personal funds. Okay. I definitely recommend trading with prop firms. That's just me. It's way easier because it takes the risk off of you in your trading. But if you're trying to make $1,000, $200, $500, does not matter your number. Find something that you can consistently make each and every day without pushing for it. You want something that's automatic. It could be $200, $250, $100, whatever your number is, right? Whatever you could consistently make each and every day without thinking about. That's a base hit. So if you can make $300 a day, we'll do 200 just to keep it real small and simple. $200 a day is your base hit. Cool. You do that 5 days a week. What is that? That's $1,000 for the week. You do that for the month, you just made $4,000 a month from base hitting. And then with prop firms, you can add more accounts to continue base hitting. So say you're doing multiple base hits on 2 accounts. So instead of making $1,000 a week, you're doing two grand a week by making literally $400 a day, $200 per account. We're building another bull flag right here as well. I may actually disconnect on my Lucid. Well, actually, let me go activate this other one and trade. Upgrade to funded. Don't mind if I do. Let me. All right, where to go? Oh, let's not do that. All right. Once this is activated, I'm gonna disconnect my Lucid on Ninja Trader here real quick and reconnect it, just so that way I can actually trade the 2 Lucid funded accounts at this point, just to put get a day on these accounts. Brandon, are you consistently hitting 1K a day if that's your base hit? My go-to, my current go-to firm is Tradeify. I love their dashboard. Yeah, I love that their journal's like super clean as well. So my go-to is Tradeify, then Lucid, then TPT, then Apex. Okay. Well, if you're still trading demo, bro, let's make it a little bit more realistic, all right? I know you said 1K a day would be your base hit. Let's do 200. Let's do 150. Why? Because this is a long-term game, not a short-term. And once you realize this is a long-term game, you don't mind taking lower base hits. Because guess what? If you base hit 5 days a week, guess what? You're going to score. You're going to score a point. That I'm not sure. You have to see what countries are allowed and what countries aren't. All right, both of them are active. So let me disconnect here on my Lucid. Well, actually, I should probably take a photo of this real quick. That's what I should do before I do anything. Let me take a photo of that. Hold on. Gotta take a photo. There we go. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I felt someone just judged me right there. Disconnect. Reconnect. There we go. Those bad boys are funded. We'll take that. What am I trading? I trade the Nasdaq on Tradeify and Lucid, TPT, and Apex. Honestly, I think I'm not going to trade these newly funded accounts. I will wait till tomorrow, even though I'm just cranking it out today. There's no reason just to like over trade. Why take photos? Because I post them on social media. I post them on like my IG and Facebook. What screen are you taking a photo of? I already did it. It was on just my live stream. That's all. If that's all right with you, Lucas. But not too bad of a day, folks. Not too bad of a day. So Brandon, I'll tell you the order I trade my accounts with. Tradeify, Lucid, TPT, then Apex. Yep, Tradeify, I have 4 funded accounts with them. Work on getting fully funded tomorrow. Well, this rest of this week with them. To have 5 funded accounts with them. I now have 2 funded accounts with Lucid. I have 2 funded accounts with TPT, Pro accounts, and then 0 Pro PA accounts with Apex currently. Oh, no, Lucas. I was posting what I did today in the markets. That's all. Because I'm trying to show people that there's an easier way to trade than what they were told. If you're trying to trade on Tradeify, make sure you use code LWS. That will get you over 30% off on your account. So it'll pretty much save you like 40, 50 bucks. So y'all welcome. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna hit the person I was already talking to from what's it called? Lucid, and be like, I signed the form yesterday. What's good? My community keeps asking about y'all. That's what I'm gonna say. So it's gonna be good. This week, probably, I don't know. I'm debating. I'm playing the payout game now for this month, where once I'm fully funded with Tradeify with 5 funded accounts, I'm gonna try taking out at least $3,000 per account by the end of the month. And then now with the 2 funded accounts of Lucid, I'll try taking out their max payouts as well for the month with them. I'm trying to hit 20K this month. That's my goal. I probably got about like 5 more minutes on stream and then I'm gonna jump off. I gotta edit a psychology video for you guys because I want to help you guys win. Lucas, I like Tradeify more than Lucid and TPT. That's why they're the first firm I trade. And I say that only because, well, I'll tell you why. All the firms are solid. Tradeify, Lucid, and TPT, they're all solid firms. They all have their pros and cons. But Tradeify's pros are this. 1, their dashboard. Their dashboard is the cleanest dashboard out. Hands down. Looking like a bear flag trial play, just so you guys know. Their dashboard's super clean. They have a trading journal built into it. So you could actually look at all your stuff. No, not because I'm an affiliate with them, but I've taken out tons of payouts from them already, so I know they pay quick. Their rules are very simple for new traders as well to get involved with. But on top of that, now with their select account, you get to pick. Once you go to your funded account, you get to pick if you want daily payouts or flex, where it's the typical trade for 5 days, request a payout. Where a Lucid, they're simply flex, you trade for 5 days, request a payout. Then on TPT, you can do daily payouts, or you could trade for however long, no daily count to request a payout. But with TPT, it's an 80-20 split, where Tradeify and Lucid is a 90-10 split. So you make more bang on your buck. Appreciate you, BP. It's because of you, bro. It's because we connected in San Antonio, and I'm like, I gotta perform better. I gotta do better. You know what I'm saying? So me meeting up with the members of Legacy, it helps me as well. It goes to your bank. So most of the firms use like a third-party wallet, and then you transfer from that wallet to your bank account. It may actually have taken that bear flag right there, huh? But I'm done trading. 0 red trades a day, only green. We'll take that for the day.
The beauty.
Slowly but surely, but I feel like we'll build another bear flag here, take us lower. Because guess what, boys? The flags always repeat themselves. Yep. Some firms like Tradeify uses Rise. TPT uses Plain or Plaid or something like that. You're welcome, Lucas. Hey, Smooth. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. You're $80 green. That's profit. You made 80 bucks from clicking a freaking button, bro. Like, you won today. You won today, bro. There's no such thing as a small winner. It's simply a winner. You feel me? You win or you lose. You won today. That's all that matters. Hey, good job, Time. Good. I'm glad you did that, bro. Because you gotta cut yourself off, right? Because when you feel like you can always just buy a new account, it doesn't make you want to trade properly. So the fact that you told yourself you can't buy any more accounts until you get funded in that account, you're doing the right thing. It is, Dio. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You know what I'm saying? That's why I preach base hits. Because base hitting, you're preparing for the marathon. If you're sprinting, that means you think you're close to the finish line. Nah. There's no such thing as a finish line with trading. Each day you learn, each day you grow, and each day you come back better than you were the previous day. Time, I know, bro. I know you spend way too much. We talked about that over the weekend. Yo, this is so tempting, but I'm cutting myself off. I want to trade just to get the trading days, but it's not worth it because this is looking like a bull flag on the 5 minute. Oh, this is a massive bull flag. Oof. Duane, don't even look at it. Don't even look at the charts. Don't look at it, bro. Don't look at it. It doesn't work on Ninja. No clue on that one, bro. That's weird. So not a bad start of the week. Already up over 10K this week, which is crazy. Which is craziness. It's only 2 days. Is this going to be the week when I hit like 20K in profits for 1 week? That'd be solid. That would be pretty solid. Oh, this bull flag. Oh, let's get ready to cross through my yellow line. 2 minutes, I'm jumping off because I got to get off my screens, go downstairs because, yeah, your boy wants to keep trading. And that's a no bueno. Even though we're green for the day, it's still a no bueno because I don't want to over trade and give money back to the markets. Because we would have traded 6 accounts, green in all 6 accounts today. Yeah. Take your win and run. Take your win and run. BP, you're the big baller, bro. You're the full-time trader for 7 years, bro. Like, you're the big baller. I appreciate you saying I'm the big baller, but you the full-time trader. I still own businesses. You know what I'm saying? Like, you make your money from trading completely. Yeah, we're about to pump through my yellow line there. We have a second target as well that you guys should pay attention to. Up there around the 204. 204 is that second target. Oh, straight craziness. Let me actually, before I jump off here, let me see.
Wait, I'm out of here. I gotta go.
All right, bro. Have a good one. Tomorrow we got news. 8:30 news tomorrow. CPI. CPI news tomorrow. Honestly, I'm gonna buy some Apex accounts tonight, but I'm not trading CPI. I will wait for the markets 9:45 because I have a not a bad habit. Just looking at my trade performance, anything before 9:45, I win, but I also lose. Your boy don't like losing. So, BP, I could with Apex because you can pass their accounts in one day. But honestly, I'm gonna base hit it. I'm not gonna try doing the full port because honestly, that's not how I trade. It's tempting, but it's not gonna tempt me because I'm on a good path and I don't want to take a step back. Because this is all about psychology of trading and I know myself. So I'm not trying to mess up. Because I messed up on funded. Evals to mess me up in funded. That'd be a no bueno. This is only showing 3 trades on this. Oh, it hasn't updated yet, duh. Let me refresh my Tradify. There we go. I was like, I know I did more than that. You know, I know a lot of people do that. BP. But those same people aren't getting payouts. Those same people that are doing it aren't getting payouts. Lucas, so if you do the growth account, you can pass it in one day. I recommend the select account. You have to trade it for 3 days minimum, but you can pass it in those 3 days. But you have to trade it for 3 days. The select account. $100%, bro. Yeah, I'm shooting for 20K this month. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't trying to do what all the typical traders do. You know what I'm saying? Like, because like you said, they insta funded and insta fail. Yeah. Because it's the mindset. You know what I'm saying? It's the mindset. And literally trading the CPI, you're gambling. That's what that is. You're gambling. Because you don't know if it's going to be good news or bad news. But you're full porting. That's not a trader. That's a gambler. Well, folks, I think I'm going to be jumping off here. We got the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be live once again, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see y'all tonight. Hold on. A warrior, jump into the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's free to join. Get around like-minded traders. So that way you can start winning more than you're losing. Have a good one, guys. Be blessed. I will see y'all tonight. Legacy. Love you guys for everyone that's still in here. G, Brad, Carmona, Carmona, how did you do today?
I did good. I'm 4 of them. I'm still green, so I learned how to step away.
Okay. Hey, you learned. We live and learn. That's it. But still proud of you, sir. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, boys. Well, I'll catch y'all later. All right, Tube. Don't forget to hit that like and sub. And make sure your notifications are on so you get notified when I go live. Because we go live every day. In the morning and night. With that being said, I'll catch y'all tonight.